Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you sent a transfer on Vivid and realized you made a mistake? Maybe you sent the wrong amount or to the wrong person. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps on how to cancel a transfer on Vivid. Ever felt that sinking feeling when you realize you've just hit send on a transfer and it's too late? Well, fear not. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Vivid and explore how to undo that accidental send. Understanding the cancellation process. Before we get into the specifics, it's important to understand that the cancellation process on Vivid might vary depending on the type of transfer you made and how quickly you catch the mistake. Generally, the sooner you act, the better your chances of successfully canceling the transfer. Step-by-step guide. Check the transfer status. The first step is to log into your Vivid account and check the status of the transfer you want to cancel. If the transfer is still pending, you might have a better chance of canceling it. Contact Vivid support. Once you've confirmed the transfer status, the next step is to reach out to Vivid's customer support. They have the tools and knowledge to assist you with canceling the transfer. Provide necessary information. When contacting support, be prepared to provide them with the following information: the transfer ID or reference number, the date and time of the transfer, the amount transferred, the recipient's details, name, account number, etc. A clear explanation of why you want to cancel the transfer. Cancellation success factors. The likelihood of successfully canceling a transfer depends on several factors, including transfer type. Some transfer types, like instant transfers, might be more difficult to cancel once they've been initiated. Time elapsed. The sooner you contact Vivid support, the better your chances of canceling the transfer. Recipient's bank. If the recipient's bank has already processed the transfer, it might be more challenging to cancel. Additional tips. Act quickly. Don't hesitate to contact Vivid support as soon as you realize you've made a mistake. Be clear and concise. Provide as much information as possible to help support agents understand your situation. Be patient. The cancellation process might take some time, so be patient and follow the instructions provided by support. Canceling a transfer on Vivid might seem daunting, but with the right steps and information, it's possible. Remember to act quickly, provide necessary details, and follow the guidance from Vivid's customer support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.